I am super excited to show you guys this new Makartt kit that I got. It is their 12 color nail extension gel kit. So I'm super excited to show you guys what comes in the kit. Like I was saying, it does come with 12 colors. It also comes with instructions to show you how to apply these, as well as some other products and Q&A. So on to the colors. There are a lot of colors, 12 colors, including clear. They range from blue, purple, all of that. In addition, you have a top coat and a base coat, a cute little brush. I love Makartt brushes. I have another kit just like this one, and the brush is amazing. You really just use this brush to clean up your nail. You also get a really awesome nail file. This is a 100/180 nail file, along with some nail forms, which I've never used, but if you're not going to use nail tips or press-on nails, this is what you would do to build your nail out and kind of shape them too. I'm just going to show you all of the colors that came in the kit, starting with clear. I just really wanted to show you the consistency more than anything with this one. Next color is a blue. There are a few blue looking colors that come in this kit. This one looks more of a grayish blue. Really pretty. Next color I'm going to show is purple. I have two purple colors. This one is the darker of the two. I still think it's really pretty. It's a nice purple. This color is pink. This is the darker pink out of the two that come in this kit. It's still a really pretty pink. This color looks red to me. When it comes out, it's a little bit light, but I'm gonna still say that it's red. This color is a darker blue, definitely. You can tell that it's a blue color. This one is a light green. I'm going to call it more of a pastel color. All of these colors are really pretty. I think I do have one favorite. I'm gonna go with this color as my favorite. It's the lighter purple color I was telling you guys about. It looks more of a lavender color, but it's definitely my favorite out of all of them. This is the lighter pink. And we have orange. All of these colors look pretty light, but they're all really colorful, very pretty. I'm super excited to use them. This is a yellow. And I have one more color, and it's just a lighter blue. I went ahead and did my right hand, so I'm gonna do my left for this video. I'm gonna start with this Model 1's dehydrator. I got this off of Amazon, and it did come with a primer, so if you have any questions, definitely let me know, but I'm going to apply it to my natural nail and let it air dry. This is going to be the same for the primer. I'm going to apply it to my natural nail, let it air dry, then we'll get into the base coat. So I do recommend that you use a dehydrator and primer. This just helps your gel last longer. No lifting. It's a good idea. This is going to be the base coat that I got from the kit. I'm going to apply it entirely to my nails, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. Those are cured. I'm going to start applying the gel. I'm using 6 colors for this set. I'm not sure if you guys noticed my right hand, but I do have a couple tie-dye looking nails there. So on 2 of my fingers, I'm going to use all 6 colors to create a tie-dye looking nail. I'm going to start with this blue, and I'm literally just going to take all of the 6 colors and apply them directly to the nail just in that fashion. I'm not gonna really try to spread it around. I'm just gonna apply like blobs, I guess you can say, of the gel in random spots, and then I'll get to swirling them. Now I've got all 6 colors onto the nail. I'm going to take this little pencil to swirl the colors around to kind of mix them in and make them look tie-dye-ish. I'm also going to use this pencil to bring this gel out around the form of the nail, all the way down to the cuticle, just to make sure that I get the nail shape. I'm not really applying this gel the way that I typically do because I am doing this tie-dye thing. So I just want to make sure that I do get the nail form just the best way I can and make sure that all of the gel is mixed together. After I do this, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds and then I'm going to go in on top with the clear gel. Just in the areas that may not have as much gel. That way when I do start filing, I'll make sure that I do have enough gel so that I don't file all the color away. two tie-dye colors are applied, I'm going to start now with my solid colors. I've already used green, pink, and yellow. So I'm going to use the other three colors that I used to create the tie-dye nails to apply to one nail on their own. And I'm going to start with this blue. So the way that I actually like to apply this nail extension gel is tip first. I'll go ahead and apply to the tip and cure that for 30 seconds, so kind of like a flash cure. Then I'll go back in from the cuticle on up and flash cure that for 30 seconds, and then apply one final layer on the entire nail and cure for 60 seconds. That's just to make sure that I'm able to build up the apex area and make sure that I have enough gel on there for when I file down. I'm going to do the same thing for my index finger and my thumb. I'm going to use orange for my index finger and purple for my thumb, but I'm going to use the same type of application. So tip first, cure for 30 seconds, cuticle on up, cure for 30 seconds, one final layer, cure for 60 seconds. Once the application is complete, I'm going to start taking these alcohol wipes and wiping away all of the sticky residue. I don't want any there for when I start filing down the nail. It'll start sticking. I'm going to use my Electric Joe by Melody Susie to get rid of most of these lumps. They're pretty lumpy, so I'm going to file them down pretty fine and then use my 100-180 nail file to shape them up and really get them good to go for the top coat. After I've dusted them off and washed off my hands, I'm going to use the top coat that I got in the actual kit to apply to all of these nails. They're looking pretty good, so I'm excited for the end result. And I'm going to apply this to all of the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. So excited to show you how they turned out. I'm so happy with how they did. I'm going to apply some cuticle oil that I actually made on my own. I'm going to make sure that I apply that to my entire nail, my entire cuticle, sorry. And just make sure that my hands are a bit moisturized, but I'm going to leave you guys with this. I appreciate you watching. Just make sure you subscribe. I hope you enjoy all of the pretty colors and the process.